So today we are going to learn about UV or sunlight sensor. So in the name itself, we can know that it is used to detect the sunlight. But if we see to the sensor, it looks very much simple, and it has nothing on that. But that is where what it makes the sensor a special one. So here, if we can see that there is a small hole which is wrapped up with a metal surface, and here we have some different box kind of thing. So what exactly are these two? These two are the main important components of this sensor. So when the sunlight falls on the sensor, this metal thing, as we know that metal is a good conductor of heat as well as the electricity. So when the metal will sense some heat, like it will get heated, this here is actually a temperature meter. So this will monitor the temperature of this metal, and then if it is going above or below the threshold, then the same will be sent to the small brain here, which is 8521. uh, so 8521 is actually a number of bits which will be used to manage the this UV sensor. So we can say that this here is actually a thermometer which will be using which will be sensing the temperature, and here this metal plate is actually a sensor. And then we have three capacitors and two resistors to manage the current. So capacitors will increase or decrease the number of current passing flowing, like in case the this sensor needs 3.3 volts of current to work, but we are not we are getting 5 volts of the current. So that time the capacitor will proceed with only 3.3 volts of the current to the sensor. And when it comes to the negative, so waste current, so the current which is not flowing properly will be carried away with the resistor, and then it will be sent to the ground. So that is how resistors and capacitors will work. And this chip here, that is 8521, it will manage everything, like whenever there is a light, whenever there is a temperature which is going above the threshold, that is when it says that there is a sunlight. And that will be carried out with the output pin here. So VCC pin, we know that it is for the power input, and ground is for power output, that is the negative pin, and VCC is a positive. And the output pin, we can use it in digital pins or as well as the analog pins. So that is how our UV or sunlight sensor works. And now we have learnt about the UV or sunlight sensor. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.